Hi friends! So happy to have you here on my channel. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below and let me know. 1 eggplant. If you love simple, cozy home cooking, don't forget to subscribe. Friends, what's the weather like where you are today? Salt. Let it rest for 15 minutes. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 30 grams of cheese. Rinse the eggplant with clean water. Pat the eggplant dry with a paper towel. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. (120 grams of yogurt), 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, coriander. The video ends here. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like. Don't forget to share with family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. See you next time and enjoy your meal.